You know, we actually use this the terminology golf ball size damage to reference hail damage, but sometimes an actual golf ball can hit a vehicle. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me we have a really beautiful 2025 Range Rover with a big dent in the hood. This dent actually happened from a golf ball flying all the way out into the parking lot and damaging a car. This is actually very difficult damage to repair because this hood is aluminum and golf ball size damage is really severe. Of course, this damage came out perfect using Paintless dent repair. And if you have damage on your vehicle and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're also conveniently located at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.